Hi, my name is Anabella Galang, and I'm the president and founder of the Steminist movement. I'm here today with Dr. George Church. Dr. George Church is a professor at Harvard and MIT, co-founder of 22 companies, co-author of 490 papers, 130 patent publications, and one book entitled Regenesis. He developed methods used for the first genome sequence and was the youngest contributor in the American effort of the Human Genome Project. Dr. Church currently serves as director of the NIH Center for Excellence in Genomic Science. The Church Lab is also credited with discovering the entire genome sequence of the extinct woolly mammoth. In the past, he's been interviewed by Charlie Rose and Stephen Colbert, but today I have the distinct honor of interviewing Dr. George Church. So, what contributions have you made to the field of science?
Well, first of all, everything I've done has been team effort. Starting, probably the first thing was the three-dimensional structure of a RNA, a tRNA. Then those kinds of folded RNAs later were found in CRISPR. CRISPR is a nice example of Steminist, in that two of the major figures in it were women colleagues of mine, Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuelle Charpentier. I also helped with bringing down the price of DNA sequencing, reading your DNA by 10 million fold. That was also a team effort that involved a number of companies. Those would probably be the highlights of things that are in the past.
So what do you hope to accomplish in the future?
So mixed in with that past and the future is educational, is communicating with the public. I think we are on track for many of the things that we've done in the past, contributing to agriculture and clinical. So more and more things out in the world. We've already got some of the sequencing is contributed in non-invasive prenatal care, but we're going to see more and more clinical applications, organ transplants and so forth. The organ transplant is another nice example of Steminist. Luhan Yang she was a graduate student and postdoctoral fellow in my lab, and she started this company for transplantation. It's a remarkable, and she was also a co-inventor of the CRISPR as a technology. So a remarkable use of CRISPR is in making pigs such that they can transplant organs.
What advice do you have for the middle school girls who are part of the Steminist movement?
So my advice would be follow your dreams. Don't let people talk you out of things easily. Very often, people who act like they know a lot, or people that are the loudest people in the room, really are bluffing or don't even know what they don't know. So believe in yourself. Science, technology, engineering are absolutely fascinating, fun things for anybody of any age and any nationality, gender, etc. It's just that I've seen many people have a great time. It's actually a pretty open-ended both profession and hobby, and it doesn't interfere with anything else you would want to do. It's definitely something you can balance work and other family life and so forth. I am George Church, and I am a Steminist.